Half of your thoughts today will circle around you, your past, your plans, your worries. Neuroscientists call this self-referential processing. Here is the twist. The you at the center of those thoughts is a story your brain tells. In the next few minutes, I will offer a simple 30-second practice that loosens that story without losing yourself. When the mind idles, the brain's default mode network becomes active, especially regions like the medial prefrontal cortex. It spins narratives about how I am doing and how I compare. That can be helpful until it crowds out what is actually happening now. Your body runs a different channel: breath, heartbeat, warmth, and weight. This is body-based grounding, often called interoception, and it is less of a story and more of a signal. If the self is a story, who is the one aware of the story? Hold that question lightly as we continue. We will test it directly together. Imagine your experience as two tracks. Track A is the content, thoughts about me, images, and judgments. Track B is the field they arise in: sounds, sensations, colors, and even the thoughts themselves. We suffer most when the field shrinks until only the story remains. When the field widens, the story softens. It becomes a subtitle rather than the entire film. Let us practice for 30 seconds. Sit as you are. Feel the weight of your body where it meets the chair or the floor. Notice your breath wherever it is most obvious: your nostrils, your chest, or your belly. Allow nearby and distant sounds to join the field of awareness. If a thought appears, let it be included as part of the field, like another sound passing through. There is nothing to push away. There is only a gentle widening. When the me story grabs your attention again, use a light label such as planning, comparing, or simply me talk. Then return to one body anchor, either the breath or the sense of contact. This is not suppression, it is precision. You are shifting attention from the narrator to the whole scene. Now return to the question: if the self is a story, who is reading it? Notice that you did not disappear when the story softened. What remained was awareness itself, spacious and quietly alive. Perhaps the self is not a lonely capsule, but a pattern within a larger aliveness. You are not separate, and nothing is missing from you. If this widened your field, the next step is gentle focus. Watch the wandering mind, why we lose the present moment. To learn a 1-minute reset you can use anytime the story runs loud. I will meet you there.